Zoe, do you think you're on the beach? Are you on a Colorado beach? Is that why you're burying yourself in snow? Are you trying to bury yourself in snow, Booba? Are you stuck? What are we gonna do? Are you cold? Are you wet? You're not cold and you're not wet. Are you almost buried?
I'm hot.
Well, yeah, it's like an igloo probably in there. That's good. I'm glad you're warm. You want to go warm up inside the house? Yeah. Oh, there's your dad. Okay, go.